Whether your business is large or small, profit or nonprofit, a major corporation, or a chamber of commerce, you need an email marketing and information distribution strategy if you want your business to grow and prosper. Using our EM2Clients app and my name at 2clients.com email service, sending out those messages is an easy, straightforward process. Let's take a look at a demo that you can download from our server. This is our website, www.2clients.com. It basically tells you a little bit about us. You have a video that shows you how to use the application. You can even buy a 3-month, 6-month, or 1-year subscription to our product. You enter your email name that you want us to assign to our 2clients.com email server, and the current email your current email address and phone number so we can contact you if necessary. There's also several other pages that you can view on our website, but you can also click the download a demo version to get the demo version that I'm going to be showing next. And you can also view a PDF flyer on our pricing structure. So let's take and quit the web browser and start up our client. Our EM2Client demo loads and asks you to enter a 4-character personal security code that you'll use anytime you have to do something that requires a security change in the application. It tells us that the evaluation period ended, and that's because this is just a demo. It really doesn't email out anything. It just shows you what will happen if you try to, if you have a list of 1,000 people to email to, and it also tells you that it's reset the number of emails per month that you've subscribed to. And this is what the application looks like. So you can use this lock and unlock, these lock and unlock buttons if you have to modify cells within the spreadsheet that aren't in the yellow areas, which are open for modification anytime. There's a toolbar toggle that eliminates or displays toolbars on the the OpenOffice Calc spreadsheet. You click the demo button to show this demo. You can, because we're emailing blind copies, there are several parameters that have to be set so that they match the email server. One is the sends per time frame. Like many servers only allow you to send 500 emails per day. So you might be sending this at 450 emails during a time frame that can be toggled by clicking this toggle button from daily to hourly to minutely to test only. The test only will show you what's going to happen with your emails without actually sending anything out through your email client. You can click an auto processing toggle on and off, and everything would be done automatically, including startup and shutdown of the application. You have to turn a delay on or off. Usually you leave the delay on because if the program can send emails with many blind copies attached at a much faster rate than many servers can handle. So the maximum blind copy group size would be a value less than, say, 450. It might be 90 or 100. Then you enter the subject line, body text, attachment name. You place your marketing PDF or marketing JPEG file in the same folder with the application, and just entering the attachment name will allow it to be attached to the emails. And then sender name, the name of the person that's actually sending out the emails. Then you paste in your list of potential client emails. So let's try the demo and see how it works. The first thing it's going to do is enter the 450 and the 90, enter your subject line, body text, attachment name, and sender name. It's then going to start sending. First 90, then 180, and so forth, until it gets up to the 450 limit per time frame that we have. So it's now going to wait in a delayed state until the next minute comes up. You can see that happening here. If you look at the app start, delay time was 39 and the end is 49 right now. When minute 36 become minute 37, the last 54 emails will be sent out. And then it will basically start, and it'll show you that the current number of emails sent is 504. This keeps a running total count over the month to ensure that you don't get past or get much past your quota. So now this is sending out another 504 emails, and so we'll go over our quota in the second send, and you'll see the dialogues that come up that will tell you that you're over your quota for the month. So we're waiting for minute 37 to become minute 38. So we're at second 51, 56, and now the last 54 emails will be sent again. And finally, this number will be changed to 1008, which is over our quota. So it'll tell you you have reached your monthly quota of blind copy marketing emails. No more emails can be sent until next month. Click OK. Now, if you were to try to shut down the app and start it up again, you would be given the same message because it would be comparing these two numbers. So the evaluation period is over. The marketing has been reset for the next month. So this would be when you're coming in for the next month. Finally, everything is cleared so this demo can be used again. So that's how this kind of blind copy emailer works. I'm going to quit OpenOffice, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to prepare marketing materials using the OpenOffice Calc application. Basically, what you would have is a blank spreadsheet, and what you can do is add pictures or tables of information that would be helpful in attracting customers. You might change the font size. So in OpenOffice, you would go to View Toolbars Text Formatting, and you could add bold print or change the size of the font and so forth, or you could place a table in here. You can also go to the formatting and select page formatting, and the borders around the outside edge of this, I'm using a 2.5 point border around the outside edge. The background, I've selected a light yellow so that when the document is actually output, it will have those characteristics. Say these little placeholders I just made up by copying them and having them in TIFF format, but we can take and say I dragged some in here already. I could drag some more if I'd like some additional emails in, or additional photos in my document. Maybe make this a little bit smaller. Maybe place a portrait placeholder right here. And now let's place some pictures that we might have pulled out of a picture library. So here's one of the Mackinac Bridge. I might want to make that a little bit larger. I might want to place Arch Rock, which is a item here. I might want to place coming into port on Mackinac Island here, and you notice that these pictures are taking on the size of the little frames that I have started with. Maybe a butterfly here. We might want to talk about the lilacs that be in bloom, or maybe a trip to the fort on the island, or maybe a carriage ride and the horses there, or maybe some kayakers, and maybe, let's see, I'm going to put in one more image right here. Get a little smaller, but of the Grand Hotel. And we're done. We can preview this image by going to File, Page Preview. And we see that it would have a yellow background and the photographs would be displayed and the table would be displayed. So I can now close Preview, and I can go select Export as PDF, and we could export this PDF file. So that's the way the PDF file would look. And if we wanted, I've output a PDF file that I liked. You notice that it's taking a little longer for the PDF file to come up, and one of the reasons is because of those photographs that were at high resolution. The whole brochure takes up 8 megabytes. We can make that much smaller by going to a snippet application, or on the Mac a grab application that we can select an area like this right here. And this is the way the image would look. And if we look at what that JPEG file looks like, it's only 134K, or 60 times smaller than the original PDF. So that's probably the way we'd like to use this. So that's how you would make up some marketing material. That's how you'd use the blind copy application. Hope to be getting an order from you soon. Thank you.